Hi guys, it's me, Eunice, your girl. I brought you hot gist today. She said I called him too much. Nigerian lady reveals reason ex-boyfriend broke up with her. A Nigerian lady has left social media users amused after she took to the Twitter platform to share the reason an ex-boyfriend once broke up with her. While many relationships have ended due to serious and something damaging, the story currently trending on social media proves that many more have ended for far less serious issues. A Twitter user had asked a question about the dumbest reason one got broken up with. At _Dejoki's story, however, seemed to take the cake. She revealed that then her boyfriend broke up with her for calling him too much. That I called him too much until his phone vibrated and fell inside a drum of water, so he can't be with a destructive babe, she said, was the reason her boyfriend broke up with her. Guys, do you think this is enough reason for a relationship to end? Or what other reasons do you have in mind? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.